Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHI MNYU BHA TTA 1906. Okay. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called other methods. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called assertion and meditation, friends. Okay. So this topic. So friends, this is 84th number topic and the name of the topic is assertion and meditation. So let us see what Swami Sivanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Sit alone in your meditation room. Close your eyes. So here Swami Svananda is telling we need to sit in a meditation room and we need to close our eyes. Slowly repeat again and again the following formulae. So Swami Svananda ji will be giving us a following formulae that we need to repeat slowly. Okay friends, so this Swami Svananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Now saturate the mind and intellect with this idea. Now we need to saturate our mind and intellect with this idea, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, your whole system, flesh, body, bone, nerves and cells should powerfully vibrate with the following idea. So Swami Svanandaji is telling our full whole system, our flesh, our bone, our blood should completely vibrate with this idea, friends. Okay, so let us see what are this idea which Swami Svanandaji is telling to us in this video, friends. Okay, I am all purity Shuddham. Om Om Om. So Swami Swananda is telling that I am all purity Shuddham, and then there comes Om Om Om. Okay, then sexless Atman I am Om Om Om. So here we need to again pronounce Om 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 and we need to think that sexless Atman I am. There is neither lust nor sexual vasna. Okay, subtle desire in Atman Om Om Om. So this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Lust is mental vikara modification. I am Sakshi, witness of Vikara. Om Om Om. I am Asangha, unattached. Om Om Om. My will is pure, strong, and irrespectable. Om Om Om. I am fully established in physical and mental brahmacharya. Om Om Om. I am feeling the purity now. Om Om Om. So, friends, here there is a statement and here there is om om om, so we need to say this statement and we need to think om and om, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us, friends, in this topic, friends. Okay, you can have a sitting at night also. So Swami Swananda is telling that we can have a sitting in night also. Okay, there is general meditation for self realization. So Swami Sivananda is saying that this is a general meditation for self realization. Sit for 10 minutes, increase the period to half an hour. So Swami Sivananda is saying we need to start with 10 minutes, then we can increase the period up to half an hour. Keep up the bhava, mental attitude during work also. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we need to keep a bhava of doing a mental attitude during the work also, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. Write down on a piece of paper in bold type the words. So Swami Swananda is telling that we need to write this um, in a paper, in a piece of paper, these words in a bold form. Okay, Om purity 6 times. We need to write this word Om, that is for 6 times. That is Om 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 Om. Okay, keep the paper in your pocket. So Swami Swananda is telling after writing this word for 6 times, keep this paper in your pocket. Read it several times during the course of the day. So Swami Swananda is telling in the daytime we need to read it several course of time, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svandaji is telling to us in this topic. Fix it also in a prominent place in your home, in your house. So Swami Svandaji is telling we need to fix it in a prominent place in our house, friends. Okay, have the word image Om purity. So Swami Sivanandaji is telling we need to have this word image, that is Om, that is purity, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivanandaji is telling to us in this topic. Clearly before the mind remember several times daily, the brahmachari stains like Swami Vivekananda. So Swami Swandaji is telling that that how much time our mind keeps on remembering, that we need to feel like the saint like Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda, and their powerful actions. So we need to feel like Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda, and their powerful action, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swandaji is telling to us in this topic. Think over the multifarious advantage of a pure life of brahmacharya and the disadvantage of evil and impure life. So yes, Swami Swandaji is telling we need to think about the pure and the benefits of the practice of brahmacharya and the pure life of a brahmacharya, and we at the similar point of time we need to also think the negative point of the life of evil impure people, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swandaji is telling to us in this topic. Never leave the particular, be regular and systematic. So here Swami Swandaji is telling that we need to never leave the particular, we need to be systematic, and we need to be systematic and regular. Okay, friends, so being regular and being systematic is very important, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swandaji is telling to us in this topic. Gradually you will become purer and purer, and ultimately you will become an Urvetra yogi. Be patient. So Swami Swandaji is telling you by that period of time you are going to be purer and purer, and by a certain point of time in your life you are going to be Urvetra yogi in your life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swandaji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, daily feel through the grace of God I am becoming better and better. So Swami Svandaji is telling, friends, daily we need to feel it from our mind that we are becoming better and better, friends. Okay, so the Swami Svandaji is telling to us in this topic. Every day is every way. Every day in every way. This is auto suggestion. So Swami Svandaji is telling every day in every way. So this is complete auto suggestion, friends. Okay. This is another effective method. So Swami Swandaji is telling this is another effective method. So friends, in our today's video I have covered the topic called assertion of meditation, friends. Okay, so this topic. And friends, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called cold hip bath, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.